Most amazing pie recipes. Apple pie recipe. Homemade, fresh from the oven pie is one of the foremost satisfying comfort foods around. Inspect our favorite recipes for this all-American dessert that is as flaky, sweet, and comforting as Mom used to make. Ingredients: 5½ cups thinly sliced peeled apples, about 6 medium. 1 cup of sugar. 2 tablespoons water. 4½ teaspoons quick cooking tapioca. 500 grams teaspoon ground cinnamon. 250 grams teaspoon ground nutmeg. 500 grams teaspoon leaven. 500 grams of teaspoon salt. 3 cup shortening. 5 to 6 tablespoons cold water. 3 tablespoons butter. 2 tablespoons milk. 1 tablespoon sugar. Pastry. 2 cups all-purpose flour. Directions. 1. In a large bowl, combine the apples, sugar, water, tapioca, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Toss to coat. Let represent quarter hour. 2. In a large bowl, combine the flour, leaven, and salt. Cut in shortening until crumbly. Gradually add water, tossing with a fork until dough forms a ball. Divide in half, making one half slightly larger. 3. On a lightly floured surface, roll out a larger portion of pastry to suit a 9 inches pie plate. Transfer pastry to plate. Trim even with the fringe of the plate. Add filling. Dot with butter. Roll out remaining pastry. Make a lattice crust. 4. Trim, seal, and flute edges. Brush with milk. Sprinkle with sugar. Cover edges loosely with foil. 5. Bake at 400 degrees for quarter hour. Reduce heat to 350 degrees. Bake 40–50 minutes longer or until crust is golden brown and filling is bubbly. Cool on a wire rack. Nutrition facts: 1 slice, 456 calories, 21 grams fat, 7 grams saturated fat, 12 milligrams cholesterol, 219 milligrams sodium, 64 grams carbohydrate, 36 grams sugars, 3 grams fiber, 4 grams protein.